Hey there, Rivet crew. Happy Tuesday. I have a 15-minute AMRAP for you today. We got some jump rope, we got some rowing for calories, and we have some deadlifts. So 15 minutes long. We're shooting to get 2+ to 3+ rounds today. Each round starts with some jump rope. We have 60 double unders or 90 singles. I also have some other variations in the programming notes for you to check out. So look at those if you're at home. I got some line hop variations, some over the dumbbell. Some kind of jumping. No matter what variation you're doing though, we're trying to clear that station in about a minute. This particular goes for you folks doing double unders today. If you're, a little iffy on that particular skill, feel free to practice for 60 seconds or whatever, but keep it to about a minute. And that's before you move on to the rower. We got 30 calories for the fellas, 24 calories for the ladies. This should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes on this station. If you're at home, don't have a rower, go ahead and substitute a 400-meter run would be a good one for this. If you can't run outside, let's go equal the amount of reps in 10-meter shuttle runs, okay? So measure something out there. And then we got deadlifts. We got the lifting part of today's workout. We got 15 reps total. This is designed either to be done with 1 barbell or 2 heavy dumbbells, ideally. Although, again, if you're at home and you only have 1 dumbbell or even a kettlebell or an odd object or whatever, we're doing 15 reps there. If you only have a pretty lightweight at home, feel free to up those 15 reps, maybe 20 or 25. If you only have a relatively lightweight to deadlift with, just kind of up those reps a little bit. Okay, so keep track of your rounds and reps. Again, we're looking for like 2+ to 3+ rounds. Couple things I want you to focus on today. Basically, one thing is pushing with the legs. So those deadlifts and the row today, very similar movement pattern, right? We want that whole foot down. We are pushing with the legs. We are extending the hips, right? This is a very important movement pattern. When we're doing our deadlifts, we're doing, I'll demonstrate with some dumbbells here. Double dumbbell deadlift, right? We're sending those hips back. We're keeping that whole foot flat on the floor. Biggest thing to cue here is to push your feet through the floor. Right? The deadlift, it is not a lift. It's more, as people call it, a pull, but I like to think of it more as a push. Right? Same thing on the rower. Rower is mostly about pushing with the legs. So with the deadlift, load those hips, get that full foot flat on the floor, and push through the floor as you extend the legs. Working on keeping that back nice and flat and pushing through the floor. So it's very leg-driven movement. Exact same thing on the rower. We're looking for full foot flat when we push back, relatively vertical shins. We're keeping that back nice and flat, all right? I guess that's 3 things. Back flat, vertical shins, and full foot down, right? Same as on the deadlift, same on the rower, same as with the barbell, whatever. And another thing, I guess there's 4 things I'm thinking of here. When we do our deadlifts, we want to make sure those hips and shoulders come up at the same time, right? Hips and shoulders come up at the same time. Bar gets to the knees, then we extend the hips. We reload, we go back down again. See how my shoulders and hips are going up at the same time? Very important. What we do not want, we sometimes see, is the hips going up first, right? The hips go up and then the shoulders go up. Not good for your back. Or we're dropping those hips down too low like this and we're driving those shoulders up to the floor, ceiling first. Same thing happens on the rower. We don't want to lead with the shoulders. We want to lead with the hips. Keep a nice flat back. All right, that's enough of me talking. 15-minute AMRAP today. Jump rope, row, deadlifts. It's a good one. Happy Tuesday. See you soon.